Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann. Hope you are having a lovely day. Actually, it's evening. It's really early in the morning. It's like 1:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm really wide awake. I actually got up this morning earlier, got off a 12-hour shift. I did sleep a lot all day, and now I'm wide awake. Okay, I'm just a night owl. Like, if you love working graveyard, you're out and about at night. So I'm really wide awake. But I wanted to start my video because I did make the challenge with the Ching goes the money tree. And I just want to do, I'm just going to say it right now. Okay, this is actually kind of like my second video, but I'm going to do it right now for you. Ching goes the money tree. And every time a Ching money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and above under me. Wave, I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. Ching goes the money tree. And every time a Ching money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and above under me. Wave, I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. All right, guys, I got it memorized. I'm excited. All right, but if you want to hear it again, I can do it over and over. I'm going to try to make it fast, okay? Ching goes the money tree. And every time a Ching money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. Yay! Now say this for 21 days, guys. You're going to actually really boost your energy. You're going to have high vibration because you're thinking positive and you're manifesting that mantra in your life, in reality, right? Ching goes the money tree. And every time a Ching money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. Yay! I actually, guys, I'm wearing double glasses if you can see. These glasses right here is kind of like, it has like a blue ray, so it actually prevents my eyes. It prevents it from getting blurred. It's like a computer. It protects your eyes from the computer. Okay, so don't mind if I'm wearing double glasses because that's what I'm using. But I'm so excited. I feel like doing the mantra again. How about you guys? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Ching goes the money tree. And every time the money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly. From top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, I'm money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all gets paid. All right? Okay, see? I got it, okay? But anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in the buddy group, I'm actually participating in the buddy group. Guys, the channel is finally monetized. All right, I'm in the process of monetization. Really excited about it. But I have another channel. My music channel is also going to be monetized. It's probably going to be monetized next week or sooner. Okay, so I'm really excited. I did post this latest video right there. That's my mentor, Matt Parr. He has actually 9 channels running, guys. He makes 30,000. I think in the video he says he makes 30,000 a month with his YouTube channel. He probably makes more now because it increases the more videos that you make, the more money you're gonna make, guys. Okay, so get excited. You know, if you're just started with $1 billion Virgins monetization program, I'm excited for you. But before you guys ever start that program, I know some of you guys are in the Done For You services and you have never signed up with the YouTube program. The first thing you need to do is you gotta set up your channel first, and you gotta upload some videos first before you can ever participate in the buddy group. Okay, so you guys, you need to do that. You gotta be persistent. making videos every day, because every day counts. All right, push yourself. I usually make like 4 or 5 videos. I think what was the last video I made? Oh, okay, so I made the Ching goes the money tree 3 days ago, and then I just posted one right now. I've been really busy, guys. Okay, because I'm really consistent with this channel. They're very persistent. I usually post like three or four videos a day, but I did not lately, because I did one 3 days ago. But it doesn't mean that I didn't post any videos, because I did. I've been really busy with my other channel, with the music channel, and I started that channel four months ago, and I started picking up making videos because I got that one in the process, getting it monetized. So I wanted to put more videos on there, and so far I am almost, I think I'm posting the 40th video now. Last week was only like 10. So I've really been working really hard on that channel. I have posted 30 videos within a week. Okay, just because I didn't post any on here, I am a busy lady. All right, a busy lady online, trying to get the other channel approved. This one actually is approved already. It's in the process of the monetization, which I am happy about it. And after this one is done, the other one is done, then I'm gonna start on my crochet channel. All right, guys. I'm really excited. I know everyone is, as a lot of us are going to be monetized, especially the earlier groups. Okay, we started our channel last year, so this is the year that everybody's going to be monetized, and I'm really happy for everybody. Congratulations, everyone. But all right, I'm going to end it up with this. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. All right, take a look at my videos. If you want to learn how to make money online, you're going to have to follow me and subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every day. I did promise to upload my latest video about my other mentor, who is Matt Parr. And I'm actually gonna go into my training tonight, and I'm gonna have to dig really deep and get more information, learn more information from him. A lot of times I have to go over and over to understand, because he talks really fast, guys. But his program is worth it. If you sign up for the free training, just go ahead and sign up for the free training, guys. It could be very expensive. If you see, like, it says $1,000 to join. If you stick out with the meeting, through the live meeting, he might give you guys a discount at the end, or you can make monthly payments with him. And like me, I had to start with making partial payments, and then I made monthly payments. But I'm really, really, really happy with that program, because it's an excellent program, guys. You want to make your YouTube as part of your income, for you to bring in to your family, your livelihood. This is the easiest way, actually, to make money online is creating a YouTube channel, because all you got to do is create videos. And if you have the passion to make videos every day, then this is for you. Take the chance, make it, do it, claim it, and you get your channel monetized, and you will become successful online. Okay, so this is one of the keys where I will actually, this is going to help me become more, actually be my own boss. I'll be able to quit my part-time job as a CNA. I am a nurse assistant. I work in a subacute unit, and I've kind of slowed down on my other job, because I was working there too as like per diem part-time. But since my channels are going to be monetized, I'm just going to totally quit, where I have income still coming in. All right, guys, plan your goal, write down your goal, know your whys, know your intentions, and make sure you do your meditations, confession, and believing, and seeing the picture of who you really are right now in the future, and just do it and act it and speak it out, and it will come to pass. You guys will become successful, right? Let's end it with the ching ching ching, okay? But first, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your likes and your comments. I appreciate it. And I thank you guys from the Buddy Group for supporting my channel too all through this time. So let's end it with ching 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 goes the money tree. And every time the money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly. From top left, right, and abundantly. Way, one money way. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out plus money saved. That all gets paid. All right.